Good morning friends, Shweta here and friends, welcome to Styleback Travel and thank you so much for liking my first series that was Ladakh Exploration, and now I'm all set to start my new series and guess the location. It's everyone's favorite Goa. So basically I really feel that Goa is much more than just beaches. So I'm all set to explore Goa, that is internal Goa, and I'm naming this series as Goa Beyond Beaches. So under this series, first part I'm going to cover all forts of Goa. So today I'm here at Chapoda Fort and I'll be exploring few other forts nearby. So let's go inside and explore Chapoda Fort.
This Fort Chapoda is in Bardes, Goa, which is almost 10 kilometers away from Mapusa city. So you can easily drive down and visit this place.
Friends, I have reached inside Chapoda Fort and as you can see, nothing much has remained here, only walls are there. So this fort was built in 1717 on the river Chapora. Now I'll take you to the point where Dil Chahta Hai was shot, so come with me. Friends, this is that wall where famous scene of Dil Chahta Hai was shot. From here you get excellent view of Vegator beach and sea.
So after visiting Chapoda Fort, now I'll be heading towards Fort Sinkurium.
I came across this beautiful place known as Para, and this road is what took my attention and I'm going to walk through this road. And just to add, this road was also shown in movie Dear Zindagi. Friends, now I have reached to Sinkurium Fort and as you can see, that is the viewpoint of Sinkurium Fort. This fort is basically extension of Agoda Fort and it is located on Sinkurium beach. So let's go towards viewpoint and check it out.
Sinkurium Fort is around 18 kilometers from Panji and it takes around 30 to 40 minutes from Chapoda Fort to reach here. Sinkurium Fort has a circular viewpoint which used to serve as a reference point for incoming and outgoing vessels.
Everything you said they already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Hi friends, today I am here in Mandavi, which is nearby Panjim. So today I have come here to explore Rais Margos Fort and Church. Behind me you can see Rais Margos Church, and in that corner you will be able to see Rais Margos Fort. So now let's go inside the fort and explore it.
Reis Margos Fort is around 10 kilometers away from Panji, and after taking ticket, you need to walk for 10 minutes to reach the entrance.
Friends, I have entered from the entrance now and we are heading towards fort. I would like to tell you that this fort is one of the most well maintained fort and it has a beautiful structure from inside. So let's go inside and explore its history and structure.
This fort has many viewpoints, and viewpoint on which I am standing right now gives you an excellent view of Arabian Sea. You can witness lovely sunset from this viewpoint.
Friends, we have reached on the topmost point of the fort and here you can see there are 4 cannons. Total 33 cannons were there in this fort. Few of them are present on the other check post. So now let's see the view which we get from here. This fort is located on banks of river Mandovi and from here you get an amazing view of river. Friends, now we have reached on the outer check post of the fort. Here you can see the other 3 cannons. Rest cannons are not there in fort.
This fort has beautiful architecture, and when you visit, be prepared to climb many stairs. I would like to tell that every staircase is made up of different structure. I really enjoyed them. Lastly, you should visit basement of the fort, where there is a small photo exhibition which showcases overall history of Goa. You should surely not miss this. After completing my visit at Reis Margos Fort, now I am heading towards my next destination.
Next fort which we are going to explore today is Fort Agoda. So let's go inside and explore.
So this fort is almost 9 kilometers away from Reis Margos Fort and it took me around 20 minutes to reach here. Fort Agoda and its lighthouse is well preserved 17th century fort. Here I found list of 18 forts of Goa. When I checked, most of them are ruined, but left ones are worth visiting. This fort is shown in many Bollywood movies like Style, Honeymoon Travels Private Limited, Sing is Bling, etc. This fort faces Arabian Sea and from viewpoint you can get stunning panoramic ocean view. Fort has lower and upper part. You get lush green view from the upper part of the fort. You can also walk around the walls to get entire view of the fort. So here I conclude part 1 of Forts of Goa. I will be visiting more forts soon and show them in part 2. I hope you are enjoying my series Goa Beyond Beaches. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Styleback Travel.